Laparoscopic treatment of a pheocromocitoma from a intercavoaortic paraganglioma, Monteiro Filho, Macedo, Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. This is a 57-year-old female with severe hypertension that a CAT scan showed the heteroduodenal paraganglioma. Lab tests confirmed the pheochromocitoma. She was prepared with a pre-op alpha blockage with 20 milligrams of minipress. Here we can see the heteroduodenal mass that stays between the inferior vena cava and the aorta. On coronal view, the same mass that have some parts of calcification. We start the surgery mobilizing the right column and doing a Cocker maneuver. We start seeing the inferior vena cava and touching the mass. The alpha blockage was very efficient. The patient stays with the pressure stabilized during all the procedure. The dissection was a combination of sharp and blunt dissection. Great care is taken not to lesion the duodenal wall that was firmly attached to the mass. After mobilizing the duodenum, here we see its final mobilization, we start liberating the mass from the great vessels. The aorta, as has more firm walls, was liberated first. We mainly use a blunt dissection. The inferior right gonadal vessels enter the mass and we have to ligate it with clips and then with advanced bipolar. We liberate a little from the inferior vena cava with great care. The surgery took almost 4 hours to be finished. Now, releasing from the inferior vena cava, there was a cleavage plane, a better cleavage plane from the vena cava than from the aorta. But great care is taken not to tear the vena cava. It would be a disaster if it happens, if it had happened, I mean. There were firm adhesions to the aorta, as you can see here. And we use the aspirator as a finger to do the blunt dissection. The surgeon stayed between the patient's legs and we use the umbilical port plus one port at each side, 10 centimeters apart, and two other ports in the lower abdomen to start the mobilization of the right column. The superior part of the vena cava is being released. It's important not to hurry. Now the inferior gonadal vessels are being clipped at its entrance in the vena cava. And the last attachments are being sealed. And the mass is going to be finally released. Hemostasis is revealed, and we can see the field at the left, the inferior vena cava, to the right, the aorta, the vena cava in the left, and the aorta to the right. Let's remove the gauze here, the aorta and the vena cava. The specimen is placed in the bag and removed through an enlarged umbilical incision. Thanks.